Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you need to find where the tire pressure monitor system fuse is located, which fuses you need to check, how the system works, if you have a light, tire pressure light on, we'll explain how you can clear it, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So tire pressure monitor system fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape right here. This guys right here is the model before the facelift, that's after the facelift, but at the same generation it should work for both. You have multiple fuse boxes in that Ford Escape. One is here, and if you remove that cover, it looks like this one. You have one under the dash on the passenger side. It's kind of like that one right here. You have one in the trunk. But where are actually, guys, the fuses for the tire pressure monitor system? Let's explain that now, but first let's cover why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, none of these fuses are actually for the tire pressure monitor system. You do not have a dedicated fuse. You will need to, guys, check, I recommend to check BCM fuses and powertrain fuses, but the TPMS system, guys, okay, if you get a scanner like this one, okay, that's amazing scanner, by the way. It can help you read faults, find out what's wrong, relearn TPMS sensors, program TPMS sensors, multiple things, guys. It's amazing too, but the tire pressure monitor system, guys, practically has its own computer. You have a module computer that controls the tire pressure monitor system. You don't have a fuse, but if you have a problem, you will need to often, guys, relearn TPMS sensors. We have procedure how to relearn them on our YouTube channels. Check it out. On Ford vehicle, it's not very complicated. If that doesn't fix the problem, it could be bad TPMS sensors. So you will need to, guys, program a new sensor, and you will need to clear the codes for everything to work correctly. If you want to see how to do that, we have video on our YouTube channels how to program TPMS sensors. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.